channel, exploring and bottle collecting with Jimmy. I'm magnet fishing tonight. As you can see, I'm on Lake Huron and the sun's starting to go down. Beautiful lake. I'm at the pier. I'll show you over here. You can see, get out of your way. There's, should be the lighthouse. I guess you can't see the lighthouse from here, but that's the pier. That's the marina over there. So, let's give this a try here. We're right down here, right off the pier. So, let's give it a shot. So I went bottle collecting this morning, so be sure to check out my bottle taking videos. Don't want to lose all my rope. It's a way of getting tangled up. Give it a shot, eh? I don't know how deep it is here. Oh. Sadly, folks, it's the stone, some rust, not much. So I get a better toss out. I do not want to get tossed into the lake, even though the ice is gone. Still rather cold. Okay, look at that. There's something down there pulling. I think this got a 250-pound pull. A lot of people are out fishing tonight. Whoever that is lost it. Again, the stone. You can see that. Heck, that is. What? Yeah, but there's something heavy down there. Can't drop it, can you? Probably a pipe buried or something. What? What'd you do?
You can't do much of anything, can you?
No, it's closed. So, nothing. Try over here. Try my luck over here. Hitting something. Magnus got a 250-pound pole, so oh. Well, here we go. First thing I found today. A steel bar. Oh. Something down there. I'm gonna get a further throw.
What did you find?
Steel bar.
Oh. Pretty neat, eh? Come out here more often.
Well, found something. What's that there? That's still ice?
Yeah.
No, it can't be ice in there. No, something's sticking.
Hey? I don't know if that... Maybe I can zoom in with my camera.
Okay.
Nope. I can't.
Whatever.
That's the border crosser.
Alan, right. There's something big here.
Where? You got something, eh? Oh, oh, oh. What the fuck is that?
Watch your nose.
What the hell is that?
Not a clue what that. Oh!
What?
That looks like a. See, it's got a pointy end.
Yeah.
Looks like a steak.
Yeah.
That extremely large steak, encrusted. Oh, that's something to add to the garden. Okay. Well, let's give her a shot. Alright. Well, this is my first video, so probably one more after this. Well, I have to admit, Steve Diamond was right. He said to come to the pier. No, nothing that. I'm going to move further down, folks. So, we found a steak, an iron steak, and a steel rod. So I'll get back to you, folks. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe.